Good morning, everyone. Hopefully we're doing pretty good. Let's go ahead and grab yourself a cup of coffee and we'll get started. Alright, what you'll need today is a hook size J, 6mm, a yarn needle, a pair of scissors, and some scrap yarn. In today's tutorial we're going to learn how to do a candy cane. Alright, as usual we'll get a slip knot on the hook and we'll go ahead and do a chain 31. Alright, after getting that chain 31, we'll start in the second chain from the hook and we'll do a 2 half double crochets. And we'll continue doing 2 half double crochets in each of the chains. Okay, I will see you once we get this done at the end of this round here. Okay, since we did 2 half double crochets in each of the stitches, we went ahead and did a slip stitch and then a weave in the ends. And as you can see here, we've got this really cute curlicue. Okay, we'll go ahead and we'll do a slip knot on a hook and attach your red yarn. And we will do the same. We'll go ahead and do a total of, 31 chains. Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon or good evening, whichever part of the world you're in. Today we're going to turn this into a candy cane. Alright, can't wait till we get started. Go ahead and pull up a seat and grab a cup of coffee and we'll go ahead. Now, as you know, whenever you go to the store you get all kinds of color candy canes. So feel free to use any color that you would like. Otherwise, today I'm going to use this scrap yarn both in white and in red. We'll simply do a slip knot on the hook, and the hook size that I'm using today is J, 6mm. You want to use a smaller one, or if you're happy with using this one, that's entirely up to you. We'll do a total of 31 chains. Alright, after you get the 31 chains, we'll start in the second chain from the hook by doing 2 half double crochets and doing 2 half double crochets in each of the other chains. Alright, as you see, we have 2 half double crochets in each of the stitches here, so we should have a total of 30 half double crochets in total. We should have a total we should have a total of 60. My bad. Because it's 30 chains and you got 2 in each. Hello, Malinda, pay attention. Anyways, there's a laugh for you for today. Okay, we'll go ahead and do a slip stitch and then we will weave in the ends. And I will show you back here in a minute what we're going to do next. Alright, now that we weaved in the ends, and of course I've already had this done and ready to go, so all we got to do now is attach the 2 colors. Okay, all I do is just simply take both ends right here and I just kind of unravel it until we have them completely unraveled. Okay, we're getting closer to the end here, and I'll show you what we're going to be doing next after that. Alright, now that we have them both intertwined in together, we'll simply shape it by twisting it to where it's tighter. Okay, I don't know if you've ever gone in the garden section in Walmart or wherever your favorite store is, but I was trying to figure out a way to stiffen this. So if I wanted to put it on a present, or if I just wanted to hang it up on a tree or what have you, I went and I looked in my little stash and I found this. So I don't know if you ever used this before, but we're going to go ahead and try to do this together and see how it turns out. Okay, we don't want it too big of a piece because we just basically want this top part to shape into a candy cane. So we'll just grab a little piece, don't have to be big, no rhyme or reason, don't worry about it, just have fun. Now it looks like a twist tie. So basically, if you want to use just a basic twist tie, you could use that too. It's entirely up to you. Okay, I just simply shimmy it in between both of them. Okay, once I get this inside, I'll go ahead and get back with you and we'll do the next step. Alright, now that I have it shimmied mostly into the cane itself, it's not going to be completely 100% stiff, but we're going to try to do our best. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and shimmy it right in between there so this way I can grab it and attach it to this little part right in here in this yarn. If I can get it to cooperate, that would be 100% cool. Alright, now that we got it shimmied up in there, we'll just simply bend it a little bit. So this way it holds in its place, which is what we want it to do. Alright. Alright, cool. There we have it. A nice, cute candy cane. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you when I see you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.